Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Creator. Creator. Creator means person or thing that brings something into existence. For example, James Bond's creator Ian Fleming. James Bond's creator Ian Fleming. Synonyms: writer, author, composer. Credibility. Credibility. Credibility means quality of being trusted and believed in. For example, the very public loss of credibility led to the demise of the magazine. The very public loss of credibility led to the demise of the magazine. Synonyms: trustworthiness, reliability, dependability. Crown. Crown. Crown means headdress worn by monarch. For example, a congressman brought the crown on a velvet cushion. A congressman brought the crown on a velvet cushion. Synonyms: coronet, diadem, tiara. Cult. Cult. Cult means system of religious devotion towards figure or object. For example, the cult of Saint Olaf. The cult of Saint Olaf. Curiosity. Curiosity. Curiosity means strong desire to know or learn something. For example, filled with curiosity, she peered through the window. Filled with curiosity, she peered through the window. Synonyms: inquisitiveness, interest, spirit of inquiry. Custody. Custody. Custody means protective care or guardianship of person or thing. For example, the property was placed in the custody of a trustee. The property was placed in the custody of a trustee. Synonyms: care, guardianship, charge. Cutting. Cutting. Cutting means action of cutting something. For example, the cutting of the cake. The cutting of the cake. Dam. Dam. Dam means barrier constructed to hold back water. For example, the dam burst after torrential rain. The dam burst after torrential rain. Synonyms: barrage, barrier, wall. Dawn. Dawn. Dawn means first light. For example, the rose-pink light of dawn. The rose-pink light of dawn. Synonyms: daybreak, break of day, crack of dawn. Debris. Debris. Debris means scattered pieces of rubbish or remains. For example, the bomb hits it, showering debris from all sides. The bomb hits it, showering debris from all sides. Synonyms: detritus, refuse, waste. Debut. Debut. Debut means person's first appearance or performance. For example, the film marked his debut as a director. The film marked his debut as a director. Synonyms: first appearance, first showing, first performance. Decision-making. Decision-making. Decision-making means action or process of making important decisions. For example, the system encourages workers' participation in corporate decision-making. The system encourages workers' participation in corporate decision-making. Deed. Deed. Deed means action that is performed intentionally or consciously. For example, doing good deeds. Doing good deeds. Synonyms: act, action, activity. Default. Default. Default means failure to fulfill obligation. For example, it will have to restructure its debts to avoid default. It will have to restructure its debts to avoid default. Synonyms: non-payment, failure to pay, non-remittance. Defect. Defect. Defect means shortcoming or lack. For example, genetic defects. Genetic defects. Synonyms: fault, flaw, imperfection. Deficiency. Deficiency. Deficiency means lack or shortage. For example, vitamin A deficiency in children. Vitamin A deficiency in children. Synonyms: insufficiency, lack, shortage. Deficit. Deficit. Deficit means amount of deficiency or shortage. For example, last year that deficit soared to a new record of $162 billion. Last year that deficit soared to a new record of $162 billion. Synonyms: shortfall, deficiency, shortage. Delegate. Delegate. Delegate means representative. For example, the delegates rejected the proposal. The delegates rejected the proposal. Synonyms: representative, envoy, emissary. Delegation. Delegation. Delegation means body of delegates or representatives. For example, a delegation of teachers. A delegation of teachers. Synonyms: deputation, delegacy, legation. Demon. Demon. Demon means evil spirit or devil. For example, he was possessed by an evil demon. He was possessed by an evil demon. Synonyms: devil, fiend, evil spirit.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.